Mix condensed milk and cocoa powder until no lumps are remaining. Whip the double cream until soft peaks form, but be careful not to over-whip. Fold in about a third of the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture. Then fold in the chocolate mixture into the rest of the whipped cream. Freeze for 6 hours to overnight. Now you can enjoy your yummy, creamy chocolate ice cream. And you can also add some sprinkles to your ice cream. So yummy. This is the best ice cream ever. It's incredibly delicious. And it was so simple to make.